Good morning! Dito na kami sa Adelaide Airport. Hinatid kami ni Pete. Yan. Thank you, Pete. Alright, let's go. It's a really good weather today, guys. Wala akong makeup, as usual. Kasi ano naman gagawin ng makeup sa mukha ko, diba? Nasa plane lang ako the whole time. Gabi na kami darating sa... Bakit maingay kayo? Nagko-construction sila doon. Dalawang malalaking luggage. Sobrang bigat, guys. Buti na lang maganda tong luggage na to. Kasi kahit sobrang bigat niya, hindi siya mahirap anuhin. Anong tawag doon? Guyudin. Guyudin. Excited na ako, babe. Are you excited, babe?
Yeah.
Guwapo, babe. What are they doing there? What is that?
Hotel.
Ah, hotel. Oh, good. Okay, wait. I'll stop. Guys, nandito na kami mag-check-in lang namin yung bag namin kasi naka-check-in na kami online. Pero look at this. Let's show them what you did to me.
Abuse.
This is abuse, guys. He broke my nail. Kasi ano, kinu-close niya yung bag niya tapos my finger was on the way. Pag gano'n siya, push over sa maka-push. It's bloody. It's a bloody morning. What do you say?
I know what to say. Kill me.
Uy, wag kang ganyan. Uy, buang eh. Thank you.
Yes, just
Yeah.
So you put the next one on when you're ready. Heading through to Manila?
Yeah.
So check the price all the way through.
Beautiful, thanks.
got that way.
That's heavy.
30.1.
Yep. Can you carry that, please? Naka-check-in na kami, guys. Nalagay na namin yung luggage namin. Now we're here at Hudson's Coffee. We'll have coffee. Iced coffee. Yummers. We got iced coffee with whipped cream and all. Yummers. Let's go. We'll get fries, babe. Social ng toilet nila, guys. Hindi pa ako naka-toilet, so hindi pa ako mag-ano. Pero, ano siya? See? Laser. Ano yan? Sensor. So, ganyanin mo lang yung kamay mo.
The original one looks better.
Yeah.
I've got that one at home.
Hot spice.
Let me smell it. Oh, yum.
Actually, this is nice from memory. It's just hard to spray with it.
Buy 3, get 1 free. Pero magkano ka? How much is this? I know this is gonna be expensive. Tingnan nyo ito, guys. We got something like this sa ano, sa where did we go? Cheapest Trips, I think it was. And then ano lang siya, $2. Ito, $14.50. Meron na siyang apat, $14.50. Ang mahal. Grabe. Yan, oh.
Patties.
Yan, nakabili kami sa Paddy's Market. Tatlo nito, $10 lang. Ito, yan. $9. Isa lang. Kalurks. Ito, anong dito? Ang cute. Dito na kami malapit sa gate namin. Nandun yung gate namin. Ang cool ng pag ano dito, go through ng immigration, wala nang human interaction talaga. I think that happened to me last time as well. I think last time na nag-travel ako lang mag-isa, yun yung nangyari din. Na as in wala. Scan your passport, diretso sa ano. Wala nang kausap sa immigration officer. I love it. Guys, look at this. 5,000 Australian dollars. If it focuses, there you go. What the heck is that? Martel? Dang. Naka-board na kami, guys. Punta na kami sa plane. People are looking away. Naka-board na kami. Ang saka ko, eh. Napasok na kami. Alam niyo ba, hindi kami magkatabi ni doon. Ang layo niya. Nasa window siya. Tapos ako nasa aisle. Alright, guys. We're here. Magkatabi pala kami. Napaka-confusing kasi ng ano nila. H, sedan, tapos K ako. Kaya magkatabi kami. Okay. Meron tayong pillow. And then, blanket. That's good. Headphones. Oh, this is good. We have headphones. Para dito. There. And then, yeah, yun lang. Manood tayo ng Netflix, babe. Nag-save kami ng mga movies, shows sa Netflix app para marami kami yung panood. We will finish Stranger Things today.
No, we won't.
Huh? Yes, we will. Maybe. We'll see. Magaganda yung movies nila guys. I wanna watch this. Snatched. Later na. Tapos meron din silang Annabelle. Asa na yun kanina? Maganda sana to kung kami dalawa ni Dan. Kaya lang, separate yung amin eh. So I'm just gonna watch Snatch later. Hindi ko alam kailan namin papanood yung Stranger Things. Alright.
Ready for departure. Kindly switch.
Bongga naman yung Kuala Lumpur na airport. Dito na kami guys. Hanap kami ng toilet. Looks fancy. The airport. Mag-walk ka later sana kami kaya hindi naman umaandar. Uy, maglalakad lang din. Dito na kami sa labas guys. Wala dito yung gate namin. Ano pa pala kami? Mag-e-aero train pa kami. Papunta sa gate H. So dito kami oh. There. So, kahit na ano lang, do we have to pay? Or what's going on? Guys, chocolate world daw, sabi ni Dan. Sorry. The girl looked at you. This crazy man. Do you want some chocolates? No, you don't want any. Oh, this is pretty. I think this is good. I've tried this one before. Time. That's good, babe. That's big. That's massive. How much is that? The price. 64. No, I do not know how that works. 64.
How about second?
What's your dream job, babe?
Probably just maybe an accountant.
Oh, kanina sabi niya his dream job, magtrabaho daw dun sa chocolate. Para pag uwi daw merong isang box ng chocolate lagi. Kinder, babe, oh. Papunta na kami sa plane, guys. So, ito na yung last. Kuala Lumpur to Manila. So, yung flight is 4 hours. Sobrang daming Pilipino. Ang ingay-ingay kanina. Mga Pinoy at mga Pinay. Bye, Kuala Lumpur! Dito na kami guys. Nihintay lang namin yung dalawang malalaking luggages namin.
Where is it? Okay.
What? Is the big D here? Is it the big D? Yeah, it is. See, I can see your lock. The blue lock. That's yours.
There it is.
Go get it. It's pretty heavy, babe. Hello, it's wet. Parang ganito lang yung bag ko, ah. Pero nandito na siya, guys. My gosh, kanina pa namin siya hinihintay. Diyos ko. Nandun na siya. Malapit na siya. Ang malaking bag. It's coming, babe. There you go. It says heavy. Sabi ni Dan, okay lang naman daw maiwanan to kasi puro lang naman regalo. Sabi ko, wag naman. Bad ka. There you go. Yay. Thank you, babe. Dito na kami, guys. Kumusta naman yung itsura ko? Uy, isang oras kami naghintay dun sa sa labas ng airport. Isang oras kami naghintay kay Kuya Uber. As in, salamat. Yeah, so dito na kami. Malaki naman yung room. Ay, hindi naman. Okay lang. See? Maganda dito. Mag-order kami ng Jollibee. Kuya, kapag nag-order kami ng Jollibee, ipapadeliver sa ilalim tapos tatawagan kami, gano'n?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Salamat.
Thank you. That's 2 bags.
Salamat! Good night. Okay. So, ganito siya, guys. Okay. Quick room tour. Sobrang quick lang. Yan ang room. So, yan. Pagkapasok mo, mayroong toilet at saka shower. Maliit lang naman siya. And then, meron tayong minibar dito. Walang laman. Is this on? Yeah, that's on. So, we can put our... Let's put our water in there, babe. So, meron sila nun. Keto. Alam niyo ba, guys, nasira yung luggage ko. Hindi na siya mag-angat. Oh, nasira. Siguro dahil sa bigat niya. Ewan ko. Uy. Hindi na siya maangat. Kailangan ko bumili ng bagong luggage. Or siguro time na niya, naiwan siya dito sa isang lang dalhin namin pa uwi. Kasi lahat ng yan pasalubong lang naman eh. Anyway, back to the room tour. Meron silang TV. Ano ba view natin, babe? Let's see. Meron silang AC na maingay. Ayaw nila ng maingay na AC. Babe, their AC is a bit loud. Hello, walang view. Wala palang view, babe. Okay. Tapos yan. Okay lang naman siya maliit, pero malamig. So, okay lang. Maganda yung mirror nila. Meron ba silang bathrobe? Tingnan natin. Sana meron. Wala. Ah, well. Okay lang yan. Oops. Alright. Tatawagan ko na si Jollibee, guys. Mag-order kami. Guys, close ko na yung vlog. Hindi kami nakapag-Jollibee kasi wala na daw yung mga Jollibee na malapit dito. Close sila. Hindi sila 24/7 nag-ooperate. So, walang delivery. And, okay pa naman kami. Hindi ka naman kami like sobrang gutom na gutom. So, yeah. Matutulog na kami. Hintayin ko lang na madry yung buhok ko. And that's it for this vlog. Nakakapagod din pala. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, bye.